Hi there, my name is Kigen. I'm 15 years old and I'm a student at Maranda High School and a proud learner at EldoHub Academy for Teens and Kings Bootcamp for AI and Robotics. I've been a part of EldoHub since the year 2021, and since then I have had the incredible opportunity to learn everything ranging from scratch programming, web development, IoT, and even advanced artificial intelligence. EldoHub has helped me train the way I think and solve problems, creating me from a person who was just a curious beginner, taking me to a young and confident innovator. I'm excited to share that I've been selected for the AI for Africa program 2026 in Johannesburg, South Africa. A position in this elite stage will give me the opportunity to collaborate with bright minds all over Africa, learn from global mentors, and represent the EldoHub community throughout Africa. If you want to unlock your full potential or give your child a world-class foundation in technology, EldoHub Bootcamp for Technology and AI is a perfect place to start. Follow me on my journey as I head towards South Africa.